Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Good day, everyone. My name is Nursyafika Wahyuni, and we are from PBL 2010 team from regular class A, the second year of cybersecurity engineering. Well, in this opportunity, throughout the presentation, I will guide you through our project, the problem that we address, the understanding, also the findings that we will hit into this presentation. Well, with wasting our time, let me break down our member first. First, there's the Honorable Mr. Agus Fatullah as our beloved project manager, and there are our member team that will be explained by our leader. To leader, time is yours.
Okay, thank you. And let me introduce myself. My name is Rizqy Faiz as a team leader with my last two ID number is 25. And the next one is Devi Natalya with her last two ID number is 02. And he or she is contributed to network setup. And the next one is Gina Thasafiya with her last two ID numbers is 03. She's worked on the front-end interface. And the next one is Nursyafika Wahyuni, was involved in network testing, and her last two ID number is 07. The next one is Reza Pahlevi, served as a full-stack developer with his last two ID number is 20. And the last member is Dwita Puspa with her last two ID number is 19. As for Dwita Puspa, although she was listed as a team member, unfortunately, we have not been able to contact her for the past 1 week, and therefore her contribution to this project are limited. Despite that, our team continued to collaborate effectively and completed the key components of this project together. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much for our leader for being able to explain our members teams. Next, our leader will be heading to. Aku lupa, sabar. Okay, ulang. Sorry. All right, thank you very much for Faiz for explaining our members team. And next, Faiz we will heading to our project description that will be explained by Faiz. To Faiz, time is yours.
Di kalian slide-nya udah jalan belum? Istilahnya sumpah.
Jalan.
Oh,
Tadi
tunggu.
project description.
Dia aku belum. Tar. Tunggu 3 detik kan. Udah semua. Ini aku singkatnya pakai bahasa sendiri apa ya?
Ya.
Oke, kita mulai deh. Oke, 1. Okay, hello everyone. Today I will explain about the project description. So, our project title, Python-based port scanner application in GNS3. The project is a Python-based port scanning tools that run within a virtual network environment using GNS3 or Graphical Network Simulator 3, and we named the application is Sena. The main goals of these projects are to understand the concept of port scanning, to develop port scanning tools, and to test in a virtual machine environment. We also applied search algorithm like DFS and BFS to identify connection paths within the network. Okay, next. Okay, next one is progress and outcomes. First of all, I will explain about our backends. From the backend side, we completed around 17% of the development. We built a web application using a Flask, which performs multi-thread port scanning. The scanner can detect open ports on a target IP and provides a detailed risk analysis based on our custom risk database. Users can select port range, prioritize common ports, and export the scan results into a PDF report. All scans are tracked in real time and stored for history access. Okay, next. Okay, the second one is progress and outcomes front end. Moving on to the front end, which is about 30 complete. If the user doesn't have an account, they will be asked to register first. After that, they will receive a new TP code sent via email for verification. Once verified, users are redirected to the dashboard where they can access the application features. Okay, next. Okay, the last one is progress and outcomes network. For the network simulation, we've completed about 16%. The network setup in GNS3 includes a cloud component for internet access, a router, a switch, and 2 Linux virtual machines as scanning target. These virtual machines are connected to the router, and they are able to communicate with each other and access the internet successfully. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Faiz, for explaining our progress and outcomes. And then the next slide will be heading to our logbook report that will be explained by Leah. To Leah, time is yours. Thank you, Faiz. Next, we will heading to our logbook report that will be explained by Leah. To Leah, time is yours.
Okay, next is the logbook report. Our PBL progress is 52%. Our team has done several stages, starting from planning with the division of tasks of team members, and then planning and implementation by making lesson plans, then design and implementation in the website section and network topology that has been configured, and also implementation according to the revised website and topology that has been discussed at the meeting with the project manager. Okay, next. Okay, next is the team constraints. First, low spec device. Limited device capability slow down the workflow. Second, miscommunication. Team members experience communication breakdown. And last, lack of understanding. The project was delayed due to a lack of understanding of the technical requirement.
All right, next we will heading to our how do we overcome the problems. Also, each member contribution that will be heading by Reza. To Reza, time is yours.
Okay, thanks to Fika for giving me a chance to presentation about our project. In this section, I explain about how do we overcome of the problem we have in this project-based learning. The first is close back device. We try to switch role for every member that capable to configure or coding the project. The second is miscommunication. We try to confirm and understanding, also discuss more. The last is lack of understanding. We try to encourage team members to ask questions without fear of judgment. Okay, next. Okay, for the each member's contribution, the first is Rizqy Faiz with NIM 43324-010225 with leader, backend configuration, logbook, research, and troubleshooting. The second is Devi Natalya with NIM 43324-01002 with contribution in networking, PPT designer, and research. The third is Gina Thasafiya with NIM 43324-01003 with contribution in front end, PPT designer, and research. The fourth is Nursyafika Wahyuni with NIM 43324-01007 with contribution in networking, PPT designer, and research. The fifth is Reza Pahlevi with NIM 43324-01020 with contribution in full stack, logbook, and research. And the last is Dwita Puspa Rini with NIM 43324-01019 with contribution in research. Okay, maybe that's all for me. I will give that to moderator.
All right, thank you, Reza. Next, we'll head into our next stage plan for this project and what work progress that we've been through. That will be explained by Gina. So, Gina, time is yours.
Thanks for the opportunity. So for the next stage plan, we will focus on completing the implementation of the user interface by ensuring that all design elements can function properly. Then we will also run the script on the network simulation in GNS3 to ensure the scanning process runs as expected. In addition, we will also improve the application feature such as adding a choice of port type, scanning method, and a feature to export scan result to PDF equipped with mitigation recommendation. Next. Work progress documentation. We had several discussions with the project manager to discuss the progress of our project, discuss the next stage for our project, and discuss several obstacles and problems that occurred in our team project. After several discussions with the project manager, we all started working on our respective tasks independently according to the responsibilities that had been determined. From me, thank you. Now I'd like to hand it back to our moderator.
All right, thank you, Gina. Last from me, the conclusion of our project. So we are currently developing SENA. So SENA is Scanning Engineering Network Assistant. Basically, is a Python-based port scanner integrated with DNS3 or Graphical Network Simulator 3 that is a port scanning logic using DFS or BFS algorithms, and it is still in progress. Testing in the GNS3 environment is ongoing with continuous improvement planned. Well, that's all from our team. Thank you.